What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. We have a torque wrench that was sent to me by this company, Anpuds. It's a nice little kit. It's a 5 to 45 foot-pounds. See if it'll focus in there. And it's a real nice finish. It also is 6.8 to 61 Newton meters. Has a nice fit and finish to it. Model number is right there. Has a good sound to it. And a nice feel. Really does have a nice feel. Everything about it. It comes with some spark plug regulators, 14 millimeter. I'm guessing they're spark plugs. 16. You have a swivel head here, adapter. You have a 1/4 inch adapter. You have a 3/8, which this is what the ratchet is, 3/8 adapter. Then you have some Torx and some hex heads, 1/4 inch. So it's a nice kit. You get some sockets, 1/4 inch adapter right there. Here's something I wanted to say about this particular style is, see, this is chrome, chrome vanadium. See if it will focus in on that. You see the finish on that compared to these, which are chrome vanadium, but they have like a different texture all around. I don't know if it'll focus in on that. Come on, focus. There we go. It's just a little bit different of a chrome, and what's interesting is I bought this core built from Ross's, and I actually really like this kit. It's a little 1/4 inch ratchet kit, and it has the same sort of styling of the thing, so I wouldn't be surprised if these weren't made in the same spot. Now, it does come with a user manual here, and gives you all the instructions of how to use it, typical stuff. It also comes with a inspection certificate, instrument precision 0.50%, and then it gives the errors, it gives the checker date 2023, and the test torque value meets the standard of ISO, GB, T15729, and ASME, which is the American version. So just to compare that, what comes in handy, and I can't show the whole thing on here, but this is my Tang Tools 1/2 inch torque ratchet, and that goes from like 50 to 150, something like that. So it's nice that this is a lower, because when I started working on my own vehicles, doing DIY stuff, one thing I did have to do was go to Advance Auto, and I picked up this torque wrench, which was 120 to 960 inch-pounds, doing a new filter and transmission pan. And this is inspected. This one is made in Taiwan. And you know, Tang Tools has the, well, actually, Tang Tools is 10 to 150, but it's a 1/2 inch, so it's nice to have, you know, different things. The above limits meet or exceed demands in ISO. For the Tang instrument that was used for calibration was TTT. And this was in Sweden, 2018. So it's nice that this kit comes with all that information. You know what you're getting. Again, it's a really nice kit. I mean, comes with some sockets, 6-point sockets, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you got 10, 9, 8. And over here we got 11, 10, 9, 8. So there you have that. And then lastly, just for another comparison, I really like the case. I like the setup in here. This is going to be a nice addition to my toolbox. There is this EPA Auto. I'm just showing these other ones to give some comparison. This one is 20 to 200 inch-pounds. And I think actually this was the one I needed to use for that pan. This is another nice one here. Got the job done, you know, and it was inexpensive. Comes with a little extension and adapter for 1/4 inch. Gives you the specifications and stuff, but I don't believe there's any, you know, indication of where it was tested and all that stuff. So really hats off to this company for at least including everything that you would want to see. And yeah, I'm happy to use it, show it. I'll link it down in the description if you guys are interested. It's priced fairly well. You know, this is one of those cases where a blow molded case really comes in handy to have. So go check it out. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Turkey Day. I hope you guys all did. And I will catch you on the next video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later.